Good day. Here's the news on Koikimedia. First, the headline. Sunday Igboho set to return home as Olubadan gives royal backing. Now with the news and details. I am Titilope Adako. Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, is set to return to Nigeria, following what has been described as royal approval and divine intervention. The development was announced on Saturday evening, January 24, 2026, by his spokesperson, Olayomi Koiki. According to the announcement, Igboho's return is coming with the backing of His Imperial Majesty, Obarashidi Adewolu the Olubadan of Ibadan land, described as his royal father. The statement framed the anticipated homecoming as being by the power of Eledumare and under the spiritual and traditional authority of the Ibadan throne. Koiki disclosed that Chief Adeyemo is now cleared to return to Nigeria and is no longer being sought by government authorities, a development he attributed to sustained royal interventions, political goodwill, and persistent advocacy by Yoruba leaders at home and abroad. Sunday Igboho rose to national and international prominence between 2020 and 2021 as a leading figure in the Yoruba self-determination movement, openly campaigning against insecurity in parts of southwest Nigeria and calling for greater autonomy for the Yoruba people. In July 2021, his Ibadan residence was raided by security operatives, an incident that marked a turning point in his public life. Following the raid, Igboho fled Nigeria, citing threats to his life. He was later arrested in Cotonou, Benin Republic, while attempting to travel to Europe. His arrest triggered widespread protests across Yoruba land and in the diaspora, with supporters describing him as a political activist and freedom advocate rather than a criminal suspect. His legal ordeal extended to regional and international platforms, including proceedings at the ECOWAS Court of Justice, where issues bordering on human rights violations were raised. Since his departure from Nigeria, Igboho supporters, traditional rulers, activists, and members of the Yoruba diaspora have continued to campaign for his freedom and safe return. Saturday's announcement suggests that these efforts, combined with traditional diplomacy, may have yielded results. The statement also expressed appreciation to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Yoruba monarchs across the region, and Yoruba sons and daughters worldwide for their support during Igboho's years away from home. While no specific date has been announced for his arrival, Olayomi Koiki confirmed that arrangements are underway and that more details will be made public in the coming days. And that is the news. Koikimedia, bring it a word closer to your doorstep.